Hi friends, welcome back to EVS with another informative video. So this video is going to be very important because today we're going to see the complete information about the active and passive devices in the electrical system. So what are the active and what are the passive devices? Complete information about the active and passive devices are going to discuss in this video. So please watch till the end of this video. So let's start the video without wasting much time. So these all devices are generally electrical devices. First of all, you have to know about this, which are used in the electrical circuits for the consumption or to supply the electrical energy throughout the circuit. You can remember these things. What are the purpose of active and passive devices? These electrical devices are generally used in the electrical circuit for the consumption of power supply or to supply the electrical power to the load. These all both can be possible by means of active and passive devices. Okay, so let's see one by one what are the active and what are the passive devices. So first of all, let's see what is the active devices actually. So active devices are those devices which can supply the electrical energy from any other source of energy for infinite duration of time, and also you can see the example of active devices are battery and generator. These two are main examples of active and passive devices because it can supply the electrical power for infinity duration of time or for long duration of time. Okay, so these are the active devices, and also active devices are that which are capable of amplification or the power gain. Both these are also called as the active devices. Okay, the devices which are also be used to capable of amplification or power gain. Okay, so these all are active devices. And the examples of amplification, that of VGT is can be used as amplification or power gain, and also op amp. These all are also the examples of active devices. Okay, so it's all about the active devices. Basic information I have told you. These all are the source. These all are acts as a source. Okay, which provides the electrical power to the circuits throughout the circuits. Okay, so now let's move to the next one, that is passive devices. So what are the passive devices? So the devices or the elements which all absorbs which always absorbs the electrical energy and convert it into some other form of energy like heat energy. Okay, so the examples of passive devices are the resistor, capacitor, and inductor, and transformer, motor, etc. These all are used as a passive devices because it can only absorb the electrical energy, or it can only absorb the electrical supply. Okay, so these all are the passive elements or passive devices. Okay, so passive devices are generally used as a observer because it always absorbs the electrical energy which is supplied by the source. Okay, so it's all about the electrical passive and electrical active devices. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.